TradeView TraderPro. How to activate advanced features on limit and stop orders. Software tutorial.
This video tutorial will discuss activating advanced features for limit and stop orders on the depth of market window. To activate advanced order types for limits and stop orders, click on the shield icon. A panel will appear at the bottom. Iceberg. To send a large quantity limit order and mask the actual order quantity, activate the checkbox under Iceberg. The order quantity must be greater than 1, and the volume setting must be greater than 0. You will see the tooltip display Iceberg and the show volume setting. The show volume setting is the order quantity that will be displayed at the exchange. Then, left-click to place your Iceberg order. Market if touched, or MIT, is an order that is parked on our server and released as a market order once the price is touched. MIT orders are like stop orders, but are placed in the region where a limit order would be placed. On the buy side, they are placed below the last trade price and above on the sell side. Left-click to place the order. Stop limit is a stop order that releases as a limit once the stop price is touched. The factor field is the amount in points to offset the limit order away from the stop. In other words, the amount of slippage you are willing to accept. This type of order poses the risk of receiving no fill if the market gaps below your limit price on the sell side, or above your limit price on the buy side. Right-click to place the order. You will see the stop and limit price in the confirmation window. Trailing stop is a stop order that trails with the market at a specified price movement. A sell trailing stop can only move upward as the market moves in your favor, or downward for buy orders. First, check the box trailing stop and enter a factor amount. If you wish to have the stop trail tick by tick, you will specify the lowest factor amount, 1 tick or 1/4 of a point for the S&P. Then, right-click to place the order. Notice each time the market moves up a tick, the trailing stop also moves up a tick.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.